Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? In our lesson today, we are going to study Unit 7, Lesson 8, student's book page number 61. Here we are going to practice speaking, and then we are going to practice writing. The first point we are going to speak about comparing modern electronics. As you see here in this picture, there are different electronic devices like a laptop, a TV, a mobile phone, a satellite, a video game, or a DVD player. These are six electronic devices we use in our everyday life. You are going to rank these electronic in order of importance for you and in your personal life. Now I'm going to send you a link. You are going to press on the link to rearrange and rank these electronic devices according to its importance or their importance for you and for your personal life. Okay, please ready. You can go to the chat box or the general channel for grade 11 4. I'm going to send them here twice. Okay, and then you are going to start participating in the activity by choosing or writing the numbers from 1 to 6. You are going to write the numbers from 1 to 6 according to their importance. I'm going to class 11, 11.4. Okay, you've got the link now. You are going to rearrange and rank these electronic devices in order of importance for you and in your personal life. Eleven students have participated. $15 students. Okay, 17. 19, 20. Which one is the most important electronic device, and the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the last one? So you have
أستاذ لازم نختارهم كلهم، يعني نختار الأهمية واحد واحد ولا ممكن مثلا
Yes.
كم واحد مثلا ما نختارهمش؟
No, you are going to write the number from 1 to 6. Number 1 is the most important, and number 6 is the least important.
تمام.
Okay. Let's have a vote. Which is the most important for you? And let's see, plus 11.1 and 11.4, 28 students. $29. Come on, quickly, please. 29 out of 56. 30, 31. Quickly, please. I'm going to stop 240. I'm going to stop 240. Let's see who will decide the most important electronic device. Out of 40. Okay. Let's see here. As you most of them choose the mobile phone. Not mobile phone is number one. Number two, the laptop. Number three, the TV. Number four, the video game. Number five, the satellite. And number six, the last one is the DVD player. Now, I'm going to discuss this point with you. Why do you choose the mobile phone as the most important electronic device? And why do you choose the DVD is the least important electronic device? So you have to give reasons. You are going to give reasons. Okay, please be ready. Here, as we ranked these electronic devices in order of importance, Hilary, what's number one? The most important electronic device?
The mobile phone.
The mobile phone is the most important. Why do you think it's the most important electronic device?
Because simply using your mobile phone, you can do nearly every task you want to do with all the other devices. So you can use it instead of the TV to watch shows or to watch movies. You can use it instead of the laptop to watch like online classes, or you can use it for office work. You can use it for entertainment instead of the DVD. You can listen to podcasts instead of the radio. You can use it for basically everything. So it is the most important and the most portable device you can use in your daily life.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Hilary. Excellent. Let's see, Abdurrahman Madbouli. What's the most important electronic device for you?
I prefer the mobile phone because it's easy to carry and you can use in all meetings, all phone
Yeah.
calls, on all videos, all pictures.
So
And
it has different applications. It can work instead of a TV or a DVD player or laptop. So you can keep information. You can take photos or capture some photos or record videos.
yes, of course,
Also,
yes,
you can play games.
yes. It is the best invention in our daily time.
Very good. Thank you. What about the least important electronic device? You choose that the DVD player. The DVD player is the least important. Why do you choose the DVD as the least important electronic device? Let's listen to Ahmed Samir.
Yes, teacher.
What is the least important electronic device for you?
The laptop.
The laptop is the least important.
لا 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 no the DVD player. Sorry.
The DVD player is the least important electronic device. Why? Why do you choose it as the least important electronic device?
Because
You can do with it.
because the DVD player just play DVD. Don't
Yes.
You can't use it online, and you can't
You just use it for watching movies and films.
yes, just
It's not portable, so you need it to be connected with the TV. You cannot carry it wherever you go. It has no other functions, just for playing or displaying videos, movies, etc. Thank you, Ayub. What about you, Ayub? What's the most important electronic device and the least one?
The most important is the mobile phone, and the least is the DVD player.
Why?
I chose the DVD player to be the least because it has got pretty old now, and people have
It's an
created
old
devices
model.
which people created devices which serve the same purpose, if not more, than the DVD player. And the DVD player, you can't carry the DVD player around with you like the mobile phone. The mobile phone you can carry everywhere, but the DVD it has to stay at home.
I agree with you. Yes, that's right, Ayub. Thank you so much. Now, you are going to work in groups of 3. Each member of the group should have chosen as most important a different electronic device. Some have chosen the mobile phone as the most important, and others have chosen the laptop. The third group has chosen the TV or the satellite. You are going to try to persuade, convince the other members of the group that your choice of an important electronic device is the best. You have to convince and persuade, give reasons. Why do you think it's your choice is the best one? Okay. Now you are going to write some notes. Note down the main reasons why your number one choice is important in today's world. Most of you choose the mobile phone as the most important electronic device. Here are some questions to think about. You think about what is its main purpose or function. What's the main purpose of the mobile phone? What's its main function? It's mainly used for making phone calls, sending SMS messages, making recording videos or taking pictures as a camera. It can what? It can rearrange or work as an agenda or remind you of important dates, so it can work as a reminder. What else? So what is the main purpose or the function of your number one choice? And what other use does it have? Of course, the mobile phone has other uses. You can use it as a camera, as a clock, an alarm clock, as a calendar, as a reminder, as a website or browser. You can surf the internet. So it has other applications. How do people benefit from it? Of course, it has many benefits. It's very useful for people. How do people benefit from it? So many people or all people can use it to keep in touch with others, to do business or to buy something online, etc. How many people benefit from it? Okay, so you are going to answer these questions in at least 4 sentences. I'll give you 4 or 5 minutes to write the answers for these questions. Why do you choose the mobile phone, the laptop, the TV as your first choice in today's world? Okay, please write. Prepare notes for a short talk, which will last 2 to 3 minutes. I'll give you the chance to present your topic in front of the class. Some of the expressions from the useful language box may help you. So you can use this useful language box here. Give reasons. I think radio is the most important electronic device because. I think the mobile phone is the most important electronic device because. In my opinion, in my point of view, television is by far the most important electronic device. So you can use these expressions to enrich your talk, to improve your speaking language. For me, satellite TV has to be the first choice. For me, the laptop, the TV, or the mobile phone has to be the first choice. Persuading. Just think about what you can do with a laptop computer. Just think about what you can do with a mobile phone. If you want to answer or if you want to respond to your friend's choice, I'm sorry, I can't agree with that. So you disagree. I'm sorry, I can't agree with that. The radio used to be the most important in the past, but it isn't now. It's an old-fashioned device. That's not true. You said that, but what you said. So I want to have an interaction. I want to have a conversation with you. So you have to agree or disagree with the speaker after listening to your friend. What you said about is interesting, but I think, okay, please use this useful language expressions to in your talk. Go on writing in 4 minutes. Now, let's listen to Hamidi Fawaz. Hamidi Fawaz. Hamidi Fawaz. Sultan Muhammad. Sultan Muhammad. سيف الدين علي حامد. سيف الدين علي حامد.
Review.
Yes, Saif.
For me, laptop has to be the first choice because it has a big screen to watch films and working on it easily. I can studying or doing my homework tasks on it.
What about here? Answering these questions here. Here, what is its main purpose or function? What other uses does it have? How do people benefit from it? How many people benefit from it? Yes, Saif.
Again, teacher, please.
You've got here 4 questions in your student's book to answer about your choice. What's the main purpose or function? Thank you, Saif. Sakr Khalid. Sakr Khalid.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sakr. What's your first choice? What's the most important electronic device for you?
يسعدنا مباراة أقرأ.
Answer my question. I asked you, yes, I asked you to write. Did you write some notes about your most important electronic device?
No.
What is it? You didn't
No,
write
sir.
anything? You didn't write anything?
No.
Thank you. Abdurrahman Muhammad Jamal.
In my point of view, mobile phone is the most important devices nowadays. Now we are in COVID-19, we can study and do project online. We can make phone calls, send messages, and surf the net. It has innumerable useful applications. It can work as a reminder, a calendar, and a camera. It makes us live in isolated island. In short, it's part and parcel of our life.
How many people benefit from it? How do people benefit from it?
By studying on it and
Yes,
using it
many people,
for
all people, yes, all people can use it, and they can't do without it. They use it for communication, for keeping in touch with others. It's easy to use. Okay, these are some of the advantages of using the mobile phone. Thank you, Abdurrahman Muhammad Jamal. Okay, Abdurrahman Ahmed Zayat, what do you think? What's the most important electronic device? Abdurrahman?
I think it's a mobile phone.
Yes. Give me reasons.
Because I use it for everything. It's an invention, contain features of the other electronic inventions.
Very good. What else?
And I can carry it for anywhere, everywhere I will go.
Very good. So it's portable, it's easy to carry.
Yes, and I can know everything about around the world easily.
You can surf the internet.
And
yes.
the connect without smartphone will be very hard.
Yes, connection would be very difficult. Good. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Nasr Faisal. Nasr Faisal. Nasr Faisal. Muhammad Arabawi.
Yes, in my opinion, the most important device is mobile phone. We can take it for any place. For any place, it can take photos like camera, and we can use it as radio or TV or newspaper. And it helps us to communicate with any person, even if he is far of us.
What is happening? What is happening around us? Yes, don't speak in Arabic, okay? Thank you so much. What about Omar Najm? Yes, Omar Najm.
يا أستاذ محمد.
Yes, what's the most important electronic device for you?
أستاذ it's useful for homework.
What are you talking about?
أستاذ فؤاد التكنولوجيا صح؟
Omar Najm, here you've got here 6 electronic devices. You have to choose one of them to be the most important electronic device. I asked you to write some notes here by answering these 4 questions about your choice. Pay attention, Amr. Omar Najm. Yes, Omar Yassir.
موجود أستاذ.
Yes, Omar.
I think that television is the important invention because we can watch on it many programs like children's programs and cooking programs, and we also can watch movies for fun.
But you don't have the choice to define or to say which program you like to watch. Sometimes it has some disadvantages, like what it can teach children aggressive regression and some bad behaviors.
Yes.
So you don't have the choice to on what to watch or what to see on TV.
No, but the modern TV has channels and we can change.
Yes, good. Who would like to reply on Omar? Who would like to comment? Let's see or listen to. Let's listen to Abdurrahman Radwan. What do you think is the most important electronic device? Your friend Omar says TV is the most important.
But mobile phone, it can work as a TV, but TV can't work as a mobile phone.
Yes, yeah. TV needs electricity or power to work, and you usually watch TV at home or in a place you cannot carry it wherever you go. Yes.
Yes, it is not portable.
It's not portable. Good. What else? Muhammad Jalal.
Yes, teacher. In my opinion, I think that a laptop is the most important invention, and it's a safety. We can use it instead mobile phone for everything. I can use it for attending my online meetings and play games and watch films and movies and instead of TVs and mobile phone. When I use mobile phone for many time a day, we can it's damaging my eye. I can use laptop because it's have big screen and I can put it far away for a small way for me that can damage my eye, and I can use it to for surfing net, searching for anything on the net for instead of television also, and it's mobility that I can use it out of house and everywhere.
Excellent, Muhammad. Thank you, Muhammad Jalal. Abdullah Wa'il. Abdullah Wa'il.
No, Ustaz.
Abdullah, do you think the laptop is more important than the mobile phone?
No.
Why?
Because
Yes, Abdullah.
معاك أستاذ.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Abdullah. Abdurrahman Muhammad Subhi. Abdurrahman
Because
Muhammad. Yes.
phone is easier than laptop.
The mobile phone is easier to use than the laptop.
Yes.
What else? Thank you, Abdullah. Abdurrahman Muhammad Subhi.
أيوة أستاذ موجود.
Abdurrahman, do you think the mobile phone is more important than the laptop, or the vice
Yes, I
versa?
do.
The laptop is more important than
I
the mobile
think
phone.
the mobile is more important
Why?
because it helps us in nearly everything. We can use the mobile phone to communicate with each other. We can use the GPS on the mobile phone to know places. We can use it nowadays to study.
Good.
We can search the internet for information.
For information, yeah. Thank you. Abdurrahman Tabakh. Abdurrahman Hamid. Thank you. Abdurrahman Hamid.
معك أستاذ معك.
Abdurrahman, what is the most important electronic device for you?
Laptop and iPad.
Choose one of them.
Laptop.
Why?
Because I study in it.
Yes.
And I have many work.
Yes, you can do some projects, you can do some business or do some school tasks on it.
Yes.
You can keep information. What else?
I can work.
Yes, it has other many applications. You can keep in touch with other using social media programs like Messenger or Facebook, etc. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Now, let's move to workbook. Let's move to workbook. دبولة. Okay. Here on workbook, please open it on page number 52, 53. 52, 53. Here you can see this is an article describing a digital camera. An article describing a digital camera. Please read the description of the digital camera and answer the questions. Here, let's have a look at the question first. What are the main parts of a digital camera? What are the main parts of a digital camera? What is a digital camera used for? And what properties does a digital camera have? In what situations would you use a digital camera? So you've got here 5 questions to answer after reading the article. Read the article, read the description of a digital camera. Here, the article describes a digital camera. Please read silently to answer these questions. I'll give you 3 minutes to read and find the answers. As you see here, this description of the digital camera has bullet points so that the descriptions and the properties should be clear enough and easy to be understood. The first question. Muhammad Tamir, what are the main parts of a digital camera? Muhammad Tamir?
Yes, teacher.
Answer the first question, please. A. What are the main parts of the camera?
LCD screen.
Yes.
And chargeable battery.
Good.
And I think zoom lens.
Very good. Yes.
And you should use memory card.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Muhammad. So the main parts of a digital camera: LCD screen, rechargeable battery, zoom lens, and memory card. Thank you, Muhammad. Muhammad Ahmed Ramadan, what is the digital camera used for? What's the digital camera used for? Muhammad Ahmed Ramadan, Muhanna.
أيوة أستاذ أيوة موجود. To take pictures and record video clips.
Very good. So used for, don't forget to use ing. So a digital camera is used for, don't say to take pictures, used for ing. A digital camera is used for taking pictures and recording video clips. Very good, Muhammad. Okay, Muhammad Ahmed Ramadan, Muhammad Taha. What properties does the digital camera have? Properties, characteristics. A digital camera have or has? Yes, Muhammad.
معك أستاذ. شو السؤال الثالث؟
Yes, see.
to use a digital camera. It has a screen. It has a.
You can find the answer from the text, please, on the left side page. Pay attention to me, Muhammad. Karim Wael. العطار. Karim Wael.
أيوة أستاذ.
Yes, Karim.
It captures high resolution pictures.
Good.
It can record 2-minute video clips.
Excellent.
It has face recognition technology.
It has face recognition technology. Excellent. Very good. Thank you so much, Karim. Okay. So here, it captures high resolution pictures. It records 2-minute video clips. It has face recognition technology and ASR technology. ASR is an abbreviation for Advanced Shake Reduction. Advanced Shake Reduction. ASR. Last question, D. Amr Hazim Abu Al-Ala. In what situations would you use a digital camera? In what situations would you use a digital camera? Amr Hazim.
معاك يا أستاذ المايك كان معلق معلش.
I'm listening to you. Go on.
When you are with your family and when you are with your friend.
Yes. On what situations here? When you are your family, when you have a party or like birthday parties, graduation parties, when you go out on a picnic or excursions, journeys, trips. Okay, Amr?
Okay.
Thank you. So, in family celebrations, when I travel abroad in my graduation party. So I would use a digital camera in family celebrations like birthdays, wedding parties, graduation parties. When I travel abroad, when I travel to visit another country in my graduation party. So these are the answers for these questions. Now, the last question here, you are going to write a description of the electronic device illustrated below here. Look at this electronic device. It's a laptop. You are going to write the device's name. What's its name? Is it Sony, HP, Toshiba, Dell, etc.? What are its major parts? It has 14-inch screen, keyboard, mouse, hard disk, webcam. So you are talking about its major parts. What are its functions? What can it do for recording, for keeping information, for surfing the internet? What are its properties? It has memory card, it has a hard disk. How much are they? The screen, the processor. Who is it useful for? Is it useful for all people or professionals, businessmen, students? So you are going to complete this chart. You are going to write a description of the electronic device illustrated below, complete the chart with the necessary information, then develop your ideas in 170 to 200 words. In your description, use the sum of the words and phrases. After completing the chart, you are going to write a report about this electronic device, as if you are going to make an advertisement. You are advertising about this product. This is one of the smallest laptops in the world. You can choose from different colors, etc. The size of this device is suitable. It weighs how many grams? It is useful for who? It's easy to carry. What about its batteries? How long it lasts? Okay. I'll give you 2 minutes to think about this, and you are going to write the answer in your workbook. Let's listen to your friend Omar Lutfi. Munir Badri.
Yes, teacher. The device's name is laptop.
What type is it? HP, Sony, Dell, Toshiba, etc.
Dell.
Notebook, Apple.
Dell.
So you have
Dell.
to mention the name of the device. Of course, it's a laptop. Yeah. So HP, Dell, etc. Okay, Munir. What are its major parts?
It have a screen, keyboard, mouse, and hard disk.
Good. Webcam. Okay. What are its functions? What are its purpose?
It has a huge screen.
Yes. Thank you, Munir. Let's listen to Khalid Walid.
Yes, teacher. Hello.
Yes, I'm listening to you.
The device name is MSI laptop.
Yes.
The major part is CPU type Intel Core i9.
Good.
CPU speed is 2.5 gigahertz. Hard drive size is 1 terabyte.
Good.
What are its functions? For designing, for gaming, for studying.
Excellent.
What are its properties? The manufacturer is MSI. The weight of the device is like 3 kilograms.
Good.
The dimensions is 25 by 360 by 250 millimeters.
Thank you so much. Excellent, Khalid. Amr Ahmed.
Yes. The device's name, laptop HP. What are its major parts? Screen, the mouse, keyboard. What are its functions? Typing, functions, typing, storing information, surfing the net. What are its properties? Easy to carry, have a big memory. Who is useful for? Businessmen, students.
Thanks a lot, Omar. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to complete your workbook. Don't forget to do your homework on time. Thank you so much. Until we meet again.